Hi Papercrafters, I'm Joanne Rogers, a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in Central Alberta, Canada, and I've been designing with you in mind since 1999. Do you love to put your own personality into your gift wrapping? Do you like to make boxes, bags, and tags? It's a wonderful way to pair up your love of paper crafting with a special person that you want to give a gift to. This is an online class that helps you make beautiful one-of-a-kind gift wrapping for just about any occasion that comes your way. And this is the best part. You get to use whatever supplies you already have on hand. You'll learn 8 different ways to personalize your gift giving. My designs showcase birthday, Christmas, Halloween, but you can change them up to be whatever occasion that you want to give a gift for. If you only have a few colors of ink or paper, or you have every single color in the Stampin' Up! Family and more, then you're going to find a way that you can use them in this class. There are 8 different designs, and I focus them on 2 bags, 2 boxes, and 4 gift tags. Actually 5 gift tags. And you can change them up for just about anything. I've got all the measurements and supplies that you need in a quick tutorial that you can print off. A video for every single project that walks you step by step and is very detailed. And that's where I share a ton of tips too on how to paper craft and ways that you can make it a little bit more efficient. So 8 projects for one low amount. You'll use it over and over again so that it's only going to cost you pennies once you start making these projects. So why not click the Get It Now button and let's get started.